Your business is at risk every day. Simple daily backups are no longer enough to ensure your business can keep running in the event of equipment failure, human error, fire, flood, cybersecurity threats. If disaster strikes, how will you ensure that your IT environment has enough flexibility, redundancy, and resilience to protect your data, while remaining simple to set up, use, and recover? Introducing Datto Siris, the first fully featured total data protection platform in one integrated solution. Choosing from a family of physical, virtual, and software appliances, as well as a variety of storage options, you can craft a unique data protection solution tailored to your business. Siris supports a wide array of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, and protects and restores to both physical machines and virtual environments, giving you the option to restore no matter where your business data lives. With backup scheduled as often as every 5 minutes, your backup is tested, stored locally, and replicated to the secure Datto cloud. And not just a simple cloud, but within Datto's globally distributed data centers. With Datto Infinite Cloud Retention, you can store your data for as long as your business requires. Companies can't risk losing any piece of data to corruption. Outdated backup methods force you to restore an entire system from a single restore point, resulting in data loss in any files created after the restore. Siris uses inverse chain technology and ZFS snapshots to make each file interdependent. Each snapshot saves the changes between each data point, ensuring that any individual piece of data can be recovered from any previous backup without losing the most recent data. When disaster strikes your business, there is no time to waste waiting on outdated technology to restore backups, even 15 minutes old. With instant virtualization, your business can restore within seconds from their local device or using Datto's powerful cloud. While a complete image of your system runs through a virtual machine, regular backups continue. And if you lose the entire source machine, Siris also provides the option for bare metal restore into new hardware or a virtual destination. Detect ransomware threats before they happen. Siris monitors and targets specific patterns of ransomware within a single backup, notifies you, and helps you get back to business without paying ransom. Imagine the power to back up, restore, and secure business data integrated into one solution and supported by a world-class 24/7 365 tech support crew. With Siris, your business can run anywhere, protect anything, and restore anytime. Find out more at datto.com/Siris.